Deling. Oh, damn, I should have went on down to what's the name? Fuck. Well, no, it's alright. This is easier anyways. Because then I could just go all the way down to what's the name and turn around. Instead of going up to the left, to the right, then turn around, then come back to the motherfucker.
Oh, shit.
Oh, goddamn, this hoe closed. Son of a bitch. What about this one? This hoe open? What the hell? It is open, but this shit say do not enter. I don't know, man. This shit weird. I'm like, what the fuck? I know I'm going the right way, right? Okay. Tell me something. Motherfuckers coming out the wrong way on this damn street. And then niggas like me getting tickets and shit. Who the fuck just called me? Oh. I'm gonna call you back. That's my granny. Okay.
Are the females. The women who do the most beating of their children, killing of their children, starving of their children, anything you can think of. Mothers lead every one of them.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm just calling you back.
Who was it?
For that war, they didn't say nothing.
Oh.
I get them calls and son. I wish I could just go through the phone and whoever be doing that, punch them right in the mouth.
Right.
They won't say nothing. I don't care if you're going on here, you can say something.
Yeah.
And I went on and called Joanne and said, her sister. She said she just clocked out.
Oh, okay.
But it ain't to 10:45. But still, I wanted to know if she's going to be able to come.
Right. Yeah, I'm right here. See, I was talking to you on the phone, and I left the house and drove down the street. Ain't been gone that long, and I'm almost at the bank. I'm looking at the bank right now. It's like 1 block away from me.
I was cold outside, and I'm like, yes, it is. Oh, shit.
That's what I like about out here, Granny. It's just like being in Dallas. It just ain't a bunch of riffraff, but everything's closer.
Yeah.
It's farther in senses of Dallas. You can't walk to Walmart like you used to could out there. But it's still, it's nice. I like the Walmart I go to where I stay out over here. Oh yeah, that's another thing. That damn police ain't even from on the side of town where I live. He asked me where I stayed at. Where you coming from? I said, home. Where you live? I said, I stay on 2934 Old Answer Road.
I told him where I live. Why he asking too many questions?
You know what I'm saying? He was like, oh, you stay over there? How long you been over there? I've been there 2 years. That's how long I've been in Abilene. He was like, well, I can, wow, you stay over there? That's pretty nice, man. I don't even stay over there. I know you don't. He didn't give me no tickets or nothing.
Yeah.
But still, though, I felt like he was being a dick for no reason.
Yeah, being nosy. Well, they'll do that. I don't know where you coming from, where you been, but it ain't their business.
I drive up and down this street every day.